Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tuhindra Chaudhary and today I'm going to explain you about the French immigration law that they have introduced recently. And this law, guys, is really important for those who are willing to study in France. Either they are willing to study masters or bachelors. So basically, if you're planning to study to go to France, then in that case, you need to prepare for French. Without French, it's very difficult, guys, to survive over there and in fact, to get a job over there. To get a job is always recommended to speak really good French. There are, of course, many people can argue about it, like that there are lots of jobs which are based on English speaking, but I would say that based on my experiences or based on a lot of other students' experiences, that there are very few English speaking jobs. Moreover, now come to the new immigration law that they have passed to the bill. So according to this law, now let's just imagine that you get an opportunity to work over there in France and you get an offer from an employer, from X company. But now in order to stay over there, you need to prolongate your visa. You need to apply for a long-term residence permit. So in order to get a long-term residence permit, now you need to submit an A2 French certificate. So with respect to this, you can get a job over there, but in order to stay over there along with the job, you need to have French proficiency, A2 level minimum. Then the next rule is, let's say you are working over there for a long time. Now you're planning to work for a long-term residence permit of, like, let's say 10 years, or you're planning to apply for a PR. So in order to do that, you need to show them B1 certificate. And the third rule that they have brought in, now if you want to apply for French nationality, earlier you used to show them that if you are B1 certified, it's okay, they are going to take an interview and that's all. But now you need to show them B2 certificate. So yes, guys, now it seems that the French government is tightening the rule and they are forcing everyone to learn the language first. So it's a very good time for those who are already learning French. And I would recommend all the students out there who are willing to go to France to do their master's course or bachelor's course even, they must know French. Without French, it's really difficult to stay over there. And also, if you can speak really good French, it will open you lots of doors of opportunities out there for work. Now the question arises that how can you show them the levels of French that you know? Or how can you show them that you are A2 certified or B1 certified? So there are lots of ways to do. There is a very famous examination called DELF. So you can just apply for DELF A1, A2, B1, B2 with respect to the levels that you are willing to apply for. So let's say if you want to show them A2 certificate, so just apply for the exam DELF A2, write that down, and then you will be provided an A2 certificate by the DELF organization. And similarly, you can apply for DELF B1, you can apply for DELF B2, C1 and C2. Moreover, let's say you are really good at French. I would recommend you to go for TCF or TEF exam. This is another exam. It's just like IELTS in English. So you will have all the 4 sections of the language: listening, speaking, writing and reading. The levels would be from A1 to C2 level, but your levels would be given to you according to the performance that you do in this exam. So let's say if you score X number of marks out of this, it belongs to the bandwidth of B2. So you will get the B2 certificate. This way, you can either appear for TEF exam, which is like direct exam, it's just like IELTS exams I explained you, or you can apply for DELF. And DELF exams are always taken care of the particular levels that you are aiming for. So if you want A2 certification, the exam would be DELF A2, so the questions would be of A2 level only. So I would like to conclude this video by saying that whether you are going to study in France or to do work or do business, or even you are going as a spouse, let's say, depending on your husband or wife, it is always recommended to learn French, learn the language, and then go out for the opportunities or the work exposures or anything in France. Now, as per the law, it is almost becoming mandatory to learn the language. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. please hit the like and subscribe button to my channel. You are going to get a lot more informative videos like this about France, and also I'm going to teach you each and every grammar concept that is regarding the French language. So if you want to get more information about this law, please go to the description box below. You are going to get the entire detail of this. Now you can see, if you can speak French, there are a lot more opportunities in France are waiting for you. So guys, keep watching my videos, keep practicing French. We are going to meet in the next video very soon. So till then, à bientôt. Au revoir.